Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the ocean cleanup upgrade ticket in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you're trying to upgrade your ocean cleanup hobby but can't find the upgrade ticket, here's what you need to do. First, you need to go to the Willful Canyon, and then you're going to go to the Willful Canyon guide by tapping on this shell icon on your screen. And inside this menu, you'll see your exploration rank and the milestone rewards you can unlock. To increase your exploration rank, simply explore the Willful Canyon, complete quest, and participate in the available activities. Every activity you finish gives you exploration XP, which helps you level up your rank. And as you reach higher exploration rank, you'll be able to claim milestones rewards. And one of these rewards is the ocean cleanup upgrade ticket. Just claim it from the milestone rewards menu once you've reached the required rank. And okay guys, that's all you need to do to get the ocean cleanup upgrade ticket in Heartopia Call of Whales event. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!